In this video, we are going to see how to run an LLM locally on a Mac using LM Studio. Running an LLM locally means the model runs directly on your computer. You do not need to depend on an online chatbot for every prompt, and once the model is downloaded, you can use it from LM Studio on your own machine. First, open your browser and search for LM Studio. From the search results, open the official LM Studio website. On the LM Studio website, click the Download button. Since we are using a Mac here, LM Studio downloads a DMG file for macOS. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder. Here, we can see the LM Studio DMG file has been downloaded. Open the downloaded file and install LM Studio. After installation, launch LM Studio. When LM Studio opens for the first time, it may show an introductory pop-up. You can read through it or close it to continue. Now we are inside the LM Studio app. On the left side, we can see the chat area. In the center, there is a new chat button. Click New Chat to start a new conversation. At this point, LM Studio does not have any local models downloaded yet, so before we can chat, we need to download a model. LM Studio shows a model selection window. Here, we can search for local models by name or author. For this demo, we are going to use a small model that can run comfortably on a Mac. From the available models, select a model. In this example, I am selecting Gemma 4E2B. On the right side, LM Studio shows the model details, format, size, and download options. Click the Download button. Now wait for the model download to finish. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed because these models are usually several gigabytes in size. Once the download is complete, LM Studio shows a message saying the model has finished downloading. Click Load Model or choose Use in New Chat. Now LM Studio loads the model into memory. After the model is loaded successfully, we can see the model name selected at the bottom of the chat window. Now we are ready to test it. Type a simple message like, "Hi," then press Enter. The local model starts thinking and generates a reply inside LM Studio. Now let us try one more prompt to confirm that the local model can generate a proper response. Here I am asking, "Tell me a short story in 4 lines." After pressing Enter, LM Studio sends the prompt to the selected local model. The model thinks for a few seconds and then gives a short 4-line story. This is a good quick test because it confirms that the model is not just loaded, but is also able to understand the prompt and generate useful text. At the bottom, we can also see the selected model name. So whenever you are chatting in LM Studio, make sure the correct model is selected here. Now let us quickly understand the main sections in the left side navigation. The first icon is the chat section. This is where we create conversations and chat with the local model, just like we do with an online AI chatbot. The next important section is Developer. In the Developer section, LM Studio can run a local server. This is useful when you want another app, script, or project to connect to your local model through an API. Next, let us open the Model section. This page shows the models that are already downloaded on this computer. Here, we can see our downloaded Gemma model listed as a local model. It also shows the model size and when it was modified. At the bottom, LM Studio also shows the folder where local models are stored on the Mac. This is useful if you want to know how much disk space your models are using. Now let us open the Search Models section. This is where we can browse and download more models. On the left side, LM Studio shows different available models. On the right side, we can see the selected model details, such as parameter size, format, capabilities, and download options. For example, some models support reasoning, some support vision, and some are better suited for coding or general chat. When choosing a model, always check the size and your Mac's available memory. Smaller models download faster and usually run better on normal laptops or Mac minis. Larger models may give better answers, but they need more disk space, more RAM, and more processing power. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.